Good morning children. Today our Narayana live classes key. Dated on 6th July 2020. For the class 8 and the subject social studies. Okay, the topic which we are going to discuss today from the 8th standard is the polar regions. So here they have given in the first question among the questions, what is the first question given here? All the Eskimos believed in a supernatural power. Means they have a belief that something supernatural power is protecting them. So what is the name of that supernatural power? That supernatural power they call it as Sial. So first question option C, Sial. Next, coming to the second question. Even the Eskimos, they believed in the spirits. Okay, they believed in some spirits. So they believed that one of the goddess of spirits, she gives them health, wealth and prosperity. What is she called as? So in the second question, what is the spirit? She is considered as a goddess who is giving them health and wealth. She is Sedna. So option B, Sedna. Next, coming to the third question. Some of the Eskimos, they practiced, what is they practice? They practice magic and drama. So these Eskimos who practice the magic and drama, they are called as, what they are called as shamans. Okay, fourth question. So, very popular games are practiced by Eskimos. So, in this question, which is the game which is not practiced by Eskimos? So, here the options given are wrestling. Wrestling they practiced wrestling, it is the correct option. Next, harpoon throwing, it is also the correct option. Next, racing, it is also the correct option. But option B, basketball playing, you know, we play at present, we are playing the basketball. But that time the Eskimos does not know about basketball. So option B, basketball is the correct option. Next, identify the correct statement, fifth question. So storytelling is a part of their life. No, it is the wrong option. Next, singing, dancing and drama is practiced during the social gathering in the parties. No, it is also not the correct option. Third option what they have given is show parties. Parties are the social gathering where heavy meat and fat is consumed. So, during the parties, the Eskimos eat a lot of meat and fat. So, it is the correct option. Option C. Okay. Next, sixth question. The first Europeans who discovered the Eskimos. Who are the first people who discovered the Eskimos? European country people. They are Vikings. What are they? They are Vikings. So whom we call this Vikings? The people. Vikings. Vikings are the people who travel through the sea route and they used to discover new places. Like that, these Vikings has found out the Eskimos. Okay. Next, coming to the questions. Here they have asked us, when this, see at present in the lesson we have discussed that Eskimos does not, they live in the polar region, that they are not in contact with the outside world. So when described the period when these Eskimos came into contact with the outside world people, it is a period as boom and burst. Okay, it is described as a period of boom and burst. So first option is during the starting when they came into contact with the outside people, it was a, what is that, they became very wealthy because the outside people, they started coming and buying the skins of the caribou skins and seal skins. So they became, it is a period, first of all what, they got lot of money, they became wealthy. By what did they become wealthy? By selling the skins of the caribou and seal. Eskimos, what, they were not in contact with outside world. Once when they came in contact with outsiders, they got many diseases. What type of diseases? Smallpox, tuberculosis. Why did they get these diseases? Because these Eskimos does not have any immunity power. Okay, so that is why when they came in contact with the outside world, these people got many types of diseases. Okay, next, and these outside country people, the Europeans, they have even provided guns and sharp instruments to kill the animals, caribou and seals. They were forcing the Eskimos to do more and more hunting. So these animals, even they came to, it was a time that these animals were had to get extinct. Like that, these outside European countries forced the Eskimos. So by this, the Europeans, these Eskimos had to lead a stressful life. Okay, so the guns were provided. To kill more and more animals. So what happened? This period, it is not only at first when they came in contact with the outside world, they got prosperity, they got wealth. But even the Eskimos had to lead a stressful life. That's even some Eskimos died. Okay, even as the Eskimos died. So at the starting, the period was a boom. They were getting lot of money and lot of pleasures. But afterwards, they had to even face the poverty and they even had to die. Okay, so it is a burst. So this period is called as a period of boom and burst. When they came in contact with the outside world, this period, the Eskimos, when they came in contact with the outside world, this period is called as a period of boom and burst. Okay children, thank you.